Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. I am Mrs. Nehal Godambe, your English teacher from MCGM Virtual Training Center. Children, in today's session we are going to learn a very beautiful poem by Emily Dickinson, Hope is the Things with Feathers. So this is the poem written by Emily Dickinson. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I have heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. So, this is a very small but very sweet poem written by Emily Dickinson. Before learning the poem, let's read about Emily Dickinson. So, she is Emily Dickinson. She wrote this poem in 1862, a prolific year for her poetry. Prolific, many, in plenty. She wrote plenty of poems in 1862. So, this is one of her nearly 1800 poems she penned during her lifetime. Listen here, children. 1800 poems she wrote during her lifetime, but see her fate. Only 7 of these were published while she was still alive. In her lifetime, among 1800 poems, only 7 were published. But her sister Lavinia collected and helped publish all of her poems after her death in 1886. So that was a short description about Emily Dickinson's life. Let's read the poem in detail. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I have heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. So this is only 3 stanzas poem. In this poem, Dickinson is creating a metaphor of hope through a bird. The hope that is within the speaker is much like a bird that continues to fly inside her. While see we all have experienced some dark times, hope can offer some encouragement to us. See children, now this is the period of corona. We all are worried what will be there in tomorrow. But still we have that hope with us. One or the another day this is going to be an end. We will have a new morning, we will have a new dawn with new sunlight. So that is the hope which is there in our soul, which helps us to live again, to stand again, to conquer all the difficulties in our life. That's what poetess Emily Dickinson wants to tell us. So let's read these poems stanza-wise. So hope is the bird with feathers which perches in our soul. Perches means it alights, it roots, it sits lightly in our soul, and which throughout our life it gives us the hope. It shows us the light of the hope, which helps us to live on all the odd period or in all the odd situation. Let's see the poem stanza wise. This is the first stanza. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. So here Emily tells us that hope is the thing with feathers. Hope is a bird. Thing with feathers means bird. Hope is the bird that perches in our soul. Perches means it sits lightly in our soul. Throughout our life it is there and sings the tune without the words. It keep on singing within us without any word, only the tune of hope we can hear throughout our life, which never stops at all. So, in everyone's soul, in everyone's mind, there is a hope. There is a bird of hope which has been alighted lightly and it is there with us throughout our life and it keep on singing the tune without the words which gives us the boosting up in standing all the odd situations in our life and this hope bird of hope it never stops its singing throughout our life. होप म्हणजे आशा. आपल्या सगळ्यांच्या मनात एक आशा असते. आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये बरेच असे वाईट प्रसंग येतात, वाईट दिवस असतात आणि त्यावेळेला आपण हताश होऊन जातो. पण त्यावेळेला आपण आशावादी असतो की आत्ताचा हा प्रसंग ही सिच्युएशन एक ना एक दिवस बदलणार आहे आणि पुन्हा नवीन दिवस येणार आहेत. So hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. So here we will read one new word from this stanza that is perches means an object on which a bird alights or roosts. झाडाची फांदी आपण जी म्हणतो. Typically a branch or horizontal bar. So it is like this hope, the bird of the with feathers, it perches in everyone's soul. It is there and it is there with us throughout our life, singing the tune without the words, and it never stops at all. It gives us assurance that I am with you. Do not worry about the situation, but just keep on walking on the path of your life. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. And sweetest in the gale, gale means what? A very strong wind, storm, vadal. Yeah, and sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm. Sore means causing great pain to that little bird of hope also. That could abash the little bird. Abash means that could keep him quiet, that could make him uneasy, but still that little bird of hope keeps us warm, keeps us keeps us giving hopes. I have heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asks a crumb of me. I have heard it in the chillest land and strangest sea. These words shows the worst situation in our life. It means the most difficult circumstances in our life. Extremity means the worst of the situation. In all the worst situation in my life, I have heard this bird of hope singing within me. And it was giving me the assurance that I am with you. Move on, come on, don't get upset. And in return, he never asked me a single thing. Without any expectation, it is helping me. Here that Emily says that the hope resides in the hearts for good. It liberates us from the despair and gives us the strength to move on. It only empowers us and in return demands nothing. It demands nothing and in it is just helping us. It is just showing us the right path and it is giving us the strength to move on the right path. So this is what Emily Dickinson through her smallest poem gives us the biggest message of our life. Here new words, chillest land, the most difficult circumstances, and the strangest means the unusual or difficult to understand, the situation in which we are very confused. We do not understand how to face it. In those situations, this small feathered bird help us to move on. And the next word is extremity, that is the worst of the situation which we are facing today. So my dear children, just now we have seen the poem, we have learned the poem by Emily Dickinson. Now we will do one activities from this poem, that find the phrases or lines in the poem that mean the following. Means here meanings of some lines or phrases are given to you. You have to understand those meanings and you have to find out the lines from the poem. I have done one for you. Hope is a light, delicate thing. So this is meaning of which line? We will find it from the poem. So hope is the thing with feathers. The meaning of this line is hope is a light and delicate thing. So in this way you will do this activity. Okay. So that's all for today. See you with new thing in next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care.